Hi guys, welcome back to the Wagwan Tours. We're here in Marmaris still. We're going to take a little walk around, check some shops out. Yeah. See if we can see some bargains. So up there you've got the Tipsy Karaoke Bar. I think it's a karaoke bar, dancing bar. All pretty much the same, isn't they? Well, they're the same to me. Yeah, nice busy road there. You can cross now, it's really good. What we got in here? Margarita, $5.90. England. Let me know in the comments where's your favourite restaurant when you come here. I haven't really eaten out whilst we've been here. Have a little bits here and there, but we don't really eat out too often. Luxury. Piccadilly here. Hello mate. How are you guys, alright? Very nice little place there. Get all your Turkish baths, aqua park, everything here. These two cars here. Look at this. Flowers on the screen. Yeah, someone getting married. So yeah. Where was we? We was where was we? We was in France visiting Vic, my friend Vic, and there was it was an Indian wedding, something like that. So we got the Welsh pub. Oh, we got the Welsh ones here. Welsh boys and girls. Yeah, we was there and they had a fountain and they were just going circles around the fountain, beeping their horn, going crazy, and that was him. I always say the name wrong, but we called it Rem. But we know we're just annoying them by saying that. So we just keep saying it. Ram. Maybe it's called that. But yeah. Place where you just drink champagne all the time. I love it. Champagne, champagne, champagne. Champagne, more champagne. £5 tops again over here. Yeah, like I said, you can come here and you don't have to bring anything, just bring what your clothes you're wearing. Buy your whole wardrobe and just take it back with you. Like, it's cheap enough. I think we're gonna have to do it one time, like set a challenge, come out with just our clothes, nothing else, and buy everything here. Even trainers, just bring flip-flops, buy some new trainers, buy everything. So we've got here. More and more clothes. More bags, more bags. Got pharmacy. I need to get some eye drops actually. My eyes are getting quite dry out there. So yeah. Let me know if you get dry eyes when you come out to these heated places, hot places. Because I do. Have you got any tips? Is there anything I have to get? Let's get eye drops all the time. So we're coming up to Migros. The Popeyes on the opposite side. Migros seems like the Asda, doesn't it? And then you've got another one called BIM. Migros and BIM. Migros. Let me know what the MM stands for, or they just stuttering. Can you imagine it? What'd you say? You want to get water? Okay, well, Sabrina wants to get water in Migros. Just gonna have a look at some prices then, while she's getting water. Let's have a look, not letting me in. It's nice, isn't it? There's the water down the bottom. Let's get the water. It's hot. It's alright, yeah, come. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I can't get out. I thought I could just walk through there. Sorry. I stuck myself. Thank you. It's got self-service, everything in Migros. Sneak peek in Migros for you guys. Oh, you get the fresh. You got the fresh Turkish delight as well. Everything. It's quite good Migros. Let's go outside though. Get back in that heat. You're not allowed to record in there. That's what you saw when you was naughty for looking. You shouldn't be looking, should you? Yeah. Straight across some Popeyes. I don't know, 1,000. What's 1,000? 500. 500's a tenner. So 1,000. Yeah, 20 quid. 20 quid. That's quite expensive. 20 quid for vodka. For the normal vodka, yeah. It's a bit of a rip-off. No, for their vodka.
Oh, okay.
It's 20 quid. That's a rip-off.
That's why we always buy.
I know.
Certain places we buy alcohol at the airport.
Yeah.
But obviously we're
But all inclusive, they need it. But yeah, 20 quid for local. That should normally like 6 quid. Go to Spain, it's 6 quid, isn't it? So yeah, let me know where you get your cheap alcohol from here if you stay here and you like to go to the shop and buy your alcohol. But yeah, I think that's a bit expensive if you ask me. So you got Lucas Fashion. It's got 2 shops, one bag shop, one normal. Got, what's that, Aussie shop? It's quite big, got upstairs. Everything. Yes. Okay, little bar down the back there. Sale any shoe 15. Any shoe. In Ishmael I saw them for a tenner. Yeah. That's what's quite funny. They said all shoes £10. And obviously it's got to be adults. We're going to check it out tomorrow anyway. So watch out for our Ishmael buying, bartering video. Yeah, you'll see what the prices are, what we get.
We can compare the both.
We've already compared them, so we already know Ishmael is cheaper. And I'm telling you now, the quality stuff in Ishmael, the quality feel and garments are a little bit better. So yeah, we're back where we started off. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Till the next one.